Lalagyan natin ng mga yung baka kape. Teka, maghanap ako ng ano dyan. Lalagyan
Wow, may Japan ako nakikita ah. Japan. Japan, New York. New
Anong
York.
gagawin mo sa New York? Magkape.
Yes.
Magkaano
Para,
siya?
alam mo na agad ang mga
Girl, lagyan natin ng kape yung mga ano, saksa.
Girl, meron niyang kape, girl.
Nasaan?
Less care, peace in everything.
Ilagyan mo nito.
Effort to effort. Effort ang gag. Ano yan? Ano yan? Egg
Naka-packing. Okay, go, Julka.
Ay, wow!
Oh.
Okay, everyone, listen up.
Picture mo na.
Listen up. Okay, so,
Settle down yung
ewan ko kung ano yung plano ninyo. Mukhang hanggang ano na yan, 30-10. Kaya sa akin dito, year 2026 lang eh. Okay. So, actually, ang ano ko, goal ba ang tawag doon?
Oo.
Like, ang goal ko for next year is to give less of a fuck. What? And capture magical memories. Yeah. Tapos, not number one, pero gusto ko talaga is to travel the world. Yeah, and ang tatlong top location is Hong Kong pagkatapos ng
Kasal. So,
kasal
check na agad.
And then September New York, and then definitely Japan.
Girl, di ba ako? Time ko lang ngayon.
Kasi nga, kailangan nasa tayo eh. Mag-stretch target tayo eh.
Wow.
Target to eh. Stretch target
So hindi mo
tayo.
dineklara dito yung hidden na
Di
isa
pa,
pang
may mga hidden.
okay. Stretch,
So,
okay.
Ito is obviously, kulang na ako sa time. Pero this is, to my friends, to my close friends. So, ito lang yung nilagay, like, stay close to people who feel like sunshine. Sunflower kaya. So, yan ang focus ko next year. Tapos, sabi ko sa inyo, storyteller ako eh. Oh. Tapos, for my family, ito naman yung for my family, endlessly blessed, forever grateful. Tapos, nawala na naman yung L ko, So, sa career ko naman, build my career, it's supposed to be all or nothing. Okay? So, I'll focus more on study.
Parang papalitan yata yung Majid Alfoto na ni Aguilar.
Ito ata yung okay, so it's all or nothing. Tapos, yun nga, I'm gonna focus more on study. Tapos, more on improving myself.
Yahoo!
And, of course,
Don't forget to enjoy, okay?
Of
You're
course,
just young and you should enjoy, okay?
Yes. Now, focus in health. Of course, sports, nandun. Badminton, I don't know. Siyempre, badminton is number one.
Hindi, parang tinanggal-tanggal pa.
Yes!
Pahirap sa
So,
pagpadikit.
Definitely, I'm gonna record more of my steps. Kasi it helps with my health. Tapos,
More sleep.
Ito yung mga learnings ko this year. Okay?
Parang hina-highlight niya sa 2020.
More sleep. Yes, more sleep. And of course, to me, be a piece of... Okay. So, of course, I think, especially sa mga close ko before na hindi ko pa masyadong napakita yung ugali ko, I'll be myself more. So, that's my focus on 2026. Less care and peace in everything. And of course, the flowers. Yes.
Ang kay
Next.
Kakay, puso pala kay Kakay.
Go, Kakay.
May puso pala siya. Bumba.
Bigyan ka ng space kay Twin siya. Ayan, yan pala. Go.
Huwag mo dyan yung ulo mo, halika dito ha. Yan
Sorry.
ang sabi ko sa'yo.
Go, Kakay. Go, girl.
Kita nyo naman yung aking sa lunch.
Best in noodle.
Pag tinignan nyo, Kakay, the best is yet to come.
Parang ano yung different
So in Gedsan, sana matutupad ang aking goal for the next year. Tutupad yan. Next year. Tuloy-tuloy yung consistency sa pag-gym, pag-inom ng maraming tubig, kasi madami daw chanis yung pag-inom ng tubig. And then, yeah, I'm so excited next year because I'm getting married next year. Kolasyo is hard because I'm so in love, guys. Love is everywhere. And then, yeah, after my wedding, gonna start mag-travel with families, make more memories. take more pictures with forever. Yan, have fun. At saka itong beach pala na to, hinailag ko kaya siya malaki kasi after the wedding, gusto namin to travel somewhere, maybe Boracay or what, na kasama yung buong family. So, ginagawin namin sa after wedding. Yung family. Kasi hindi pa namin na-try ever. So, ayun. And then, yeah, travel, get my airplane and all, may kabayo and all. So, yun. Maraming places to travel and then, yeah, I want yung phone with me. Naiyak na yung phone ko. So, ayun. And then,